Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LogiLDA.dll missing error on your Windows 11 computer. And now, let's get started. If you are encountering a LogiLDA.dll missing error on your Windows 11 system, there are a couple of effective solutions you can try. First, we will attempt to repair the Microsoft Visual C Redistributable packages, which often contain the necessary DLL files. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type Microsoft Visual C Redistributable. Once the search results appear, look for the official option from learn.microsoft.com and select it. On the Microsoft page, scroll down to find the Download section. You should locate and click on the x64 version to download the installer. After the download is complete, run the installer and choose the repair option. This process will reinstall the missing DLL files, and if this resolves the error, you are all set. If repairing the C++ redistributable does not fix the LogiLDA.dll missing error, the next step is to perform a system file checker scan. This tool can identify and repair corrupted system files. To begin, open the Windows search bar again and type Command Prompt. Right-click on the Command Prompt search result and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type the following command and press Enter, sfc://scano. This command will initiate the scan for corrupted system files. Allow the scan to complete fully, as it may take some time. Once the scan finishes, restart your computer. If the SFC scan identified and repaired any issues, the LogiLDA.dll missing error should now be resolved. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.